So now we have to check whether the given function is probability distribution function or not. So two things have to be kept in mind for checking whether a function is PDF. First thing, probability can't be negative. For example, in tossing of two coins, probability of getting 2 heads is 1 by 4 and the probability of getting 3 head is 0, 4 head is 0. That means the lowest value probability is 0, never can be negative. And also the second one is the sum of all probabilities will be 1. For example, the probability of being rain, presence of a rain. Suppose in a given day it may be raining or it may not be raining. So there are two outcomes. One is raining, one there will not be raining. So probability of raining is 1 by 2, probability of not raining is 1 by 2. So that the net probability is 1. So always the sum of probability will be 1. So now we have f of x, that is PDF. PDF you already know, by supplying values to x we are getting probability. So first thing, this f of x equal to 2x minus 4 for x is equal to 0, 1, 2. This is our question. So now first we want to look at the probability can't be negative. So if we are supplying different values to x, this value should not be negative. If we are supplying f x is equal to 0, then we have f of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. That means the probability become negative. This is not possible, which implies that the given function is not a PDF. Now f of x equal to x square by 4 for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now for here, if we are supplying x is equal to 0, this is the value is 0. F is equal to 1, 1 by 4. F is equal to 2, 2 square by 4, that is equal to 1. F is equal to 3, 9 by 4. So all values are here, all values are positive. So now we have to look at the second condition, which says the sum should be 1. So if we are taking the sum, we have 0 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 9 by 4. So this means 14 by 4. 14 by 4 is anyway greater than 1. But we already know the sum should be equal to 1. It cannot be greater than 1. So that means this is also not a probability distribution function. So two conditions to be checked. One is probability can't be negative and the second one is the sum should be equal to 1. So this is how we check whether the given function is PDF or not. Thank you.